Hello everyone, let us continue solving the remaining questions from TS TET paper 1. Question number 101. It is 81 power minus 1 multiply with 3 power minus 5 into 3 power 9 into 64 power 5 by 6 multiply with the cube root of 3 power 6. So let us simplify this and check the answer from the given options. Now coming to here 81 power minus 1. So this 81 can be written as 3 power something because there are two numbers with 3 power and even the last number is also having base 3. So let us write all this also in the form of 3 power something. So 81 can be written as 3 power 4. So you know that 81 is nothing but 3 power 4. So let us write 3 power 4. Power minus 1 is there. So as it is you write that into 3 power minus 5 multiplied with 3 power 9 multiplied with this 64 can be written as 2 power 6. So base 2 power 6 power 5 by 6 as it is multiplied with cube root of 3 first. Cube root of 3 can be written as base 3 power 1 by 3. So 3 power 1 by 3 is the cube root and power 6 as it is. Now coming to here 4 power minus 1. 3 power 4 power minus 1. Power of power is there. You can multiply the powers. So 3 power minus 4 multiply with the 3 power minus 5 multiply with the 3 power 9 and here 2 power 6 in 5 by 6. This 6 and this 6 can be cancelled. So this is nothing but 2 power 5 multiply with here also 1 by 3 power 6. So 1 by 3 into 6 you have to do. Power of power is there means you should multiply the powers. So 3 ones 3 twos. So you will get 3 power 2 here. Now some numbers are there. These are all with base 3. So let us add the powers. Whenever bases are same and into is there, you need to add the powers. So 3 power minus 4 plus minus 5 plus 9 plus 2 gives into 2 power 5 as it is. Now coming to here, just add the powers. So minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 and this plus 9. So you can cancel all these things. These two comes to minus 9 and this is plus 9. So still power 2 is there. So the answer is 3 power 2 multiplied with 2 power 5. So this is the option number 1. So this is your correct option. Now coming to number 102 question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then the value of x power 1 by 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is dash. So given x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So let us take this equation and write squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So we will get x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 3 square. Then this can be written as, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square means x square plus b square means 1 by x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 3 is 9. So this x and this x can be cancelled. Now here you are left with x square plus 1 by x square equal to, plus 2. I'll send that side. So 9 minus 2 it becomes, which is equal to 7. So now you have x square plus 1 by x square equal to 7. Now you want x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So we need to square again this one. So squaring again on both sides, you will get x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 7 square becomes 49. So this also according to a plus b whole square form, you can write it as x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2ab shape, 2 into x power 4, 2 into 1 by x square is equal to 7 7s 49. Now x square get cancelled. So we have here x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to, sending 2 to the other side, we will get 49 minus 2, which gives you 47. So x power 1 by 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is nothing but 47. So our option is 2. Now coming to next question, 103. The question is 25x square plus 9y square minus 30xy is equal to dash. So this we can write in the form of 25x square can be written as 5x whole square plus 9y square can be written as 3y whole square minus 30xy can be splitted in the form of 2 into a into b shape. So that is 2 into a means 5x, b means 3y. So you should think this as a square and this one you think it as b square. So a will be 5x and b will be 3y. So 2 into a into b, if you multiply these three things, you should get back 30xy. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30xy. So 30xy can be written in the form of 2a into b, 2ab shape. So now this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, so which can be written in the form of a minus b whole square. This is the formula for a minus b whole square. So where a is 5x minus b is 3y whole square. So the answer is 5x minus 3y whole square. So the option 2 is correct. Now coming to next question. If 5,600 rupees amounts to 7,560 rupees in 4 years, then the rate of interest per annum is. So it is given 5,600. This amount, if this is the principal amount, this is the amount invested and it became in 4 years 7,560. That means we have to write principal as principal you think it as P, which is rupees 5,600. Next, it amounts to, means amount is given, final amount after 4 years. So amount we think it as A, which is rupees 7,560. Now time period is 4 years. So write time period T is equal to 5 years. Now he is asking you rate of interest. So means R, rate of interest R. So what is the formula for rate of interest? We have to think it. So rate of interest R according to simple interest SI is equal to PTR by 100. From that formula you can get R is equal to I into 100 interest into 100 by P into T. So what is interest here? This is the amount invested. This is the amount became after 4 years. So the difference of these two is nothing but interest. Extra amount it has given. So that is nothing but A minus P. So difference of these two gives you 7,560 minus 5,600, which gives you 1,960. So this is the interest amount. So substituting here, interest is 1960 multiply with 100 by P into T. P is 5,600 multiplied with the time period 4 years. So on cancellation, you get 2 zeros cancelled. So this 56 and 1,960 comes to 35 times. So now the numbers left over is 35 by 4. So 35 by 4 can be written as, if you divide 4 table with 35, you will get 83 by 4%. So this is the rate of interest per annum. So the option is 83 by 4, option 3. This is the correct answer. Now coming to the next question. In a test of 25 questions, +4 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Lakshmi attempts all questions and gets a score of 76. Then the number of correct answers attempted by her is. So this is the question. For every correct answer, 4 marks are given. For every incorrect answer, that means wrong answer, -2 marks. So total questions are 25. So let us write total questions. Total questions are 25. For every correct answer, +4 marks. So let us think she had answered X number of questions correctly. Okay. Let the number of correct answers or correct questions is X, attempted by her which are correct, or X questions for example. Then according to all questions she had attempted. So that means number of incorrect questions how many? Number of incorrect questions which are wrong answers. So those are 25 minus x. Okay. Now her score. What is her score? Actually score is given 76. So according to her correct answers and incorrect answers, let us see how many she scores. According to correct questions are x. So for every correct question, she will get 4 marks. So total score for x questions will become 4x. Okay. Plus she made 25 minus x questions wrong. Means for every incorrect answer, minus 2 marks. So the marks scored for incorrect questions are 25 minus x multiplied with minus 2. Okay, now coming to here, this should be equal to 76 according to the question. Now coming to 4x plus, now this minus 2 multiply with both terms inside. So minus 2 plus 25 gives you actually minus, this is minus 20, 25 2s are 50. And minus 2 multiplied with minus x gives you plus 2x is equal to 76. Now 4x, 2x are like terms, you can add them. So you can write it as 6x minus 50 gives you 76. And from that, send minus 50 to the other side, 6x comes to 76 minus 50, which gives you, plus 50. Minus 50 becomes plus 50 when it comes this side. So the answer becomes 126 here. So x is equal to 126 divided by 6, which gives you 21. So 21 questions are correct. So x is equal to 21 means the number of questions are correct or 21. So the option 2 is correct. 21 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next question. The difference between the LCM and HCF of two numbers is 133. If the LCM is 20 times the HCF and one of the number is 35, then the other number is. So what are given? Difference between LCM and HCF is given, and also LCM is 20 times the HCF. So let us write LCM is equal to 20 times HCF. So 20 into HCF. And also given difference between LCM and HCF. So LCM minus HCF is 133. Now let us substitute this LCM is equal to 20 times HCF here. So write 20 times HCF minus HCF gives you 133. Now 20 times HCF, this is 1 time HCF. So 20 minus 1 gives you 19 times HCF. So 19 times HCF is 133. Now HCF is equal to 133 divided by 19. So on cancellation, 1s are, this is 7s are. So HCF is 7. Now you got HCF is 7. Let us substitute that in the first equation. Let us think this as 1. Substituting this in one equation. So LCM will be 20 into 7, which is 140. So we got LCM as 140, HCF as 7. Now after this, he has given one of the number is 35. We have a relation between LCM and HCF with the numbers. So the relation is LCM into HCF should be equal to product of numbers. We know this relation, product of two numbers. So one of the number is 35. So let us write LCM into HCF is LCM into HCF, LCM 140 multiplied by HCF 7 is equal to product of two numbers. One of the number we know 35. Let us think the other number as x. Now we are going to find x. So coming to 140 into 7 by 35. Bring that 35 to the left side. You will get by 35 is equal to x here. Now do cancellation. 1s are, 5s are. 7 5s are 35. Now 5 table, 5 1s are and 5 2s are, 5 28s are is 140. So x is equal to 140 means 28. X is equal to 28. 28 here, 28 into 1 gives you 28. So other number is equal to 28. So other number is 28. Our option is option 4. This is the correct answer. Now coming to the next question. The number of prime numbers between 1 to 100 is dash. So how many prime numbers are there in between 1 to 100 is the question. So First of all, let us know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those which has exactly two factors. Prime numbers are those which has exactly two factors. What are those? They should have only two factors. They are 1 and itself. The numbers which has only two factors which are 1 and itself are called prime numbers. For example, 2. 2 is a prime number because it comes only in one table and two table. And similarly, 3 is a prime number because it comes only in one table and three tables. So, which has only two factors. If other than two factors are there, more than two factors, we call it as composite numbers. Okay. Now, between 1 to 100, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and after 20 we have 23, 29, 31, 37. These are all prime numbers which has only two factors, which doesn't come in any more table other than 1 and itself table. 43, 47, 53, and 59 is also a prime number. 61 is a prime number. Next comes 67 is a prime number. You need to remember all this. 71 is a prime number. 73 is a prime number. 79 is also a prime number. Coming in 80s, we have 83 is a prime number. And 89 is also a prime number. 97 is a prime number. That's all. So, up to 100, these are the prime numbers. How many prime numbers are there? Just count them all. So, there will be exactly 25 prime numbers. If you count all together, there will be 25 prime numbers. So, this is the answer. If it is asked, for example, below 50, how many prime numbers are there below 50? If it is asked in any exam, you have to remember that below 50 means up to 47. So, count all these. Remember, it is easy to remember. There will be 15 prime numbers. Below 50, there are 15 prime numbers. So, for example, 50 to 100. Suppose sometimes it will be asked how many prime numbers are there below 100 and from 50. Or that means 50 to 100 in between. How many prime numbers are there? So, 50 to 100 there will be just 10 prime numbers. You can remember these also. 10 prime numbers are there between 50 to 100 and below 50, 1 to 50. Below 50 means 1 to 50. There are 15 prime numbers. Up to 100, you have to remember that there are 25 prime numbers. Now let us solve question number 108. The question is 1 by 10 part of a tower is colored green and 1 by 20 part is colored white, 1 by 30th is colored red and the rest is colored blue. If the length of the blue portion is 14 meters 70 centimeter, then the length of the tower is dash. In meters we want the answer. Okay. What are the fraction parts given? According to the question, 1 by 10th part is green. 1 by 10th part is green. And 1 by 20th part is colored white. 1 by 20 part is white. 1 by 30th part is red. And the rest is blue. And the rest of the portion is blue. So, if you add all this, it should get to total tower length. That means let us think total tower as 1. Let us think total tower is equal to 1. 1 means one whole. So, these are all given in fractions. So, let us think 1 is the whole thing. And from 1 we need to add these things and subtract blue part. So, let us type. Fraction part of blue is equal to fraction part of blue. We want to find blue fraction is nothing but 1 minus total is 1 total tower length minus sum of all the parts green part plus 1 by 20 white part and 1 by 30 red portion. So if you add these and subtract from 1, you will get the fraction part of the blue. That is nothing but 1 minus, let us take LCM for all the denominators, 10, 20, 30, LCM is 60. So 10 into how much is 60? Into 6 into 6. So 6 here plus 20 into 3 gives you 60. So into 3 up 3 plus 30 into 2 gives you 60 into 2. So 6 plus 3 plus 2 by 60. That is nothing but 1 minus 11 by 60. So 1 is nothing but you think it as 11 by 10, 60 by 60. Or subtract by 1 you take and take LCM. Anyway you can do it. So if you take 60 as the LCM, you will get 60 minus 11 by 60, which gives you 49 by 60. So this is the fraction part of the blue. That means if 60 is the total length of the tower, 60 parts are there. If you make total tower as 60 parts, in that 49 parts are blue. So this is nothing but given as 14 meters. 49 by 60 is nothing but 14 meters 70 centimeters. That means if total is 60 parts, if tower is made into 60 parts, then in that 49 parts are same as 14 meters 70 centimeters. That means you want to find total length of the tower. So tower length means you want 60 units. You got 49 units is same as 14 meters 70 centimeters, and we want to find 60 units. 60 units means total length of the tower is how much length. That gives you the total length of the tower. So this is nothing but 60 into 14 meters 70 centimeters. I'll write as 14.70 or 7 by 49 units. This gives you the total length of the tower. On doing cancellation, you will get this one as a 7 7 2 pointers here, 2.1, and again this 7 cancel, 1 0.30. So the answer is actually 18 meters. So 60 into 0.3 is 18 meters. So your answer is option number 4, 18. Now let us see the next question. 4.7 bar is equal to dash. What is 4.7 bar? We have to write such type of questions. First let us think. Let x is equal to 4.7 bar. The given question you think it as x. This x can be written as 7 bar. You elaborate, remove that bar and write 7, 7, 7 and so on. So many 7s are repeated. Now here if you observe, only one number is repeating. 7 is repeated always. So if there is only one number repeating, that means the periodicity is 1. If periodicity is 1, you have to multiply on both sides of this x by 10. If periodicity is 2, that means if there are two numbers are repeating under the bar here, then we have to think periodicity is 2 and we have to multiply both sides by 100 and so on. If 3 digits are repeating, you should multiply by 1000 like that. So here periodicity is 1, so we are multiplying both sides by 10. So multiplying both sides by 10. What do we get? X into 10 gives you 10x is equal to 4.777 multiplied by 10. So if this is multiplied by 10, point moves one digit right side. So that means it becomes 47.77 and so on. So think this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So we are going to subtract 2 and 1. So 1 you should subtract from 2. So write one equation down to this. X is equal to the given question 4.777 and so on. So now I am subtracting these two. 10x minus x gives you 9x, which is equal to, now 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 also 0, 7 minus 4 is 3 and this is 4. So now from this x is equal to, send 9 to the other side, we will get 43 by 9. Point after zeros can be cancelled here. So it is just 43. And this 9 comes to this side, becomes 43 by 9. So our x value 4.7 bar, which is nothing but 43 by 9. So our option is 43 by 9. There is a small technique for this. The given question is for 4.7 bar. So first think this number as 47. Without point and bar, you think it as 47. From this 47, what number is there before the point? That number you need to subtract. This is the shortcut for this. So we will get 43. This 43 is nothing but our numerator divided by denominator is nothing but here how many digits are repeating after the decimal under the bar? Only one number is repeating. That means only 9 you should write. So 43 by 9 is the answer. You can do simply directly in competitive exams in this method. This is actually detailed process and this is the shortcut method. So 43 by 9 is the answer for this question. Now coming to the next question, 110. Raju and Ramu won a lottery and agreed to share in the ratio of 3:4. If Ramu received 780 rupees as his share, then the total amount they won is, you need to find the total amount, how much they won. So the ratio is given 3:4. Raju is to Ramu is 3:4. Total amount received by Ramu is 780. Let us think the total amount they won. Total amount they won is X, for example. Total amount they won is equal to X rupees, for example. Now the ratio is given 3:4. What is the ratio? Raju is to Ramu. The order is also very important in ratios. So Raju you should think it as 3 and Ramu you should think it as 4. So 3:4. So 3 plus 4 total units are 7 units. Means the total amount they won made into 7 units and 7 parts. And in that 7 parts, 3 parts are taken by Raju and 4 parts are taken by Ramu. The meaning is that now Ramu got amount, Ramu's share. Ramu's share is given by 4 out of 7 parts. Out of 7 parts, 4 parts are taken by Ramu multiplied with the total amount X, which is nothing but the amount he won is 780 rupees. So now coming to here, if you find X, that is the total amount. So we have to find X now. X is equal to, sending this 4 by 7 to the other side, 4 by 7 comes to reciprocal. 780 multiply with 4 by 7 becomes 7 by 4. Now in doing cancellation, we will get 4 ones are 4, 195s are. So the answer is 195 into 7. So X is equal to 1365 rupees. So the total amount they won the lottery is 1365 rupees. That is the option 4 is the answer. Now let us see question number 111. If the cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price of 8 articles, then the gain or loss percent is dash. Okay, if the cost price of 10 articles, CP of 10 articles is same as SP of 8 articles. Means by logical, if you think here, you bought 10 articles, the same amount is say you got obtained by selling 8 articles. Means definitely it is gain. So there is a shortcut for this. If CP of X articles is same as SP of Y articles, for example, I am giving a shortcut for you here. So if X is greater than Y, means if CP of more number of articles is obtained by selling less number of articles, then it is always a gain. So that gain percent is given by the formula. X minus Y by Y multiply with 100%. So same in this case, this only you should apply. If for example, sometimes CP of less number of articles is obtained by selling more number of articles, then it is definitely Y is greater than X, then definitely it will be a loss. So loss percent is given by, if in that case you have to apply the formula Y minus X by Y into 100. So whichever is bigger, that minus the smaller, that you remember. So here in this case, the first option, X is greater than Y, so it is definitely a gain percent. So let us write gain percent is equal to X minus Y, 10 articles minus 8 articles by 8 articles by Y is into 100%. So that is nothing but 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 by 8 into 100. Now doing cancellation, we get 2 ones are 2 fours are and 4 ones 4 25s. So the answer is 25%. So 25% is gain. So let us see the option 25% gain. First option is the correct one. Now coming to question number 112. The ratio of the perimeters of two squares is 1:2. Then the ratio of the areas of that two squares is dash. So perimeters ratio is given and asked areas of ratio of areas. So okay. So let us think the sides of each square is X and the other square is Y. For example, let us think the side of first square is X and the other square is Y, each side. So the perimeter of the first square will be 4X and the perimeter of the second square is 4Y. So this is nothing but given 1:2. So 4, 4 get cancelled. The meaning is x is to y is given 1:2. X is to y means the sides of two squares. Sides of two squares ratio is 1:2. If the perimeter ratio is same as sides ratio. So now coming to areas. So what are the areas of these two circles, two squares? Let us see. The first square area is x square, side into side, and is to area of second square, which is nothing but y into y, which is y square. So which is nothing but x is to y is 1:2. So x square is to y square is nothing but 1 square is to 2 square, which is nothing but 1:4. So our answer is areas ratio 1:4. So first one, option 1 is the correct answer. Coming to the last question in this paper. The angles of a triangle are 2x degrees, 3x plus 5 degrees and 4x minus 14 degrees. Then the smallest angle of the triangle is. So you know that sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So the sum of the three angles 2x plus 3x plus 5 plus 4x minus 14, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So adding the like terms 2x, 3x and 4x. Let us add all these three angles. So it comes to 9x and plus 5 minus 14 are like terms. Those are constants. Gives you minus 9, which is equal to 180 degrees. So 9x is equal to, send this minus 9 to the other side, gives you 180 plus 9, which is 189. So x is equal to 189 divided by 9, which gives you 9 ones are, 9 twos are, 9 ones are. So x is equal to 21. So if x is equal to 21, let us find all the three angles now. We need to find which is the smallest angle. Let us see, 2x means 2 into x, 2 into 21, that is 42 degrees. And second angle 3x plus 5, which will be definitely more than this because 3x is there. 3 times 21 plus 5, which gives you 63 plus 5, which is 68 degrees. Definitely more than the previous angle. Next angle 4x minus 14 is there. So let us write 4x means 4 into 21 minus 14. So 4 into 21 is 84. 84 minus 14, which is equal to 70 degrees. So least angle, the smallest angle is 42 degrees. So our option is 4. Fourth option is 42 degrees. Thank you. Let us see some more questions of paper 2 in my next video. Thank you.